Hi friends, in previous session we learned the string functions in a SQL server. So upper, lower, okay, char, text, substring, all this we learn. In this session we learn the difference between replace and okay stuff function. So if you go interview also, they will ask you interview questions. What is a replace and stuff? So what are the functions? Replace and stuff. So these two are string functions. Now first we will see the replace function example. Okay, select replace. Okay, select replace, and I'm giving expression Shiva Narayana. Okay, Shiva Narayana at the rate gmail.com. Now, and I want to replace here a, the character a. Okay, I want to replace character a with the at the rate symbol. Okay, I want to replace a character a in this string with the at the rate symbol. I'm giving alias name as a replace. Okay, if I execute this one okay, if I execute this one, now see here in this string wherever we have a character a, it is replaced with a at the rate character. Now I'm using one more example. Okay, here Shivanarayana, and I want to replace n. Okay, I want to replace n with a dollar. Okay, dollar symbol. If I run these two queries again, now if you observe here, so wherever I have a n in this string, it is replaced with the dollar symbol, and first one wherever I have a character a, it is replaced with the at the rate symbol. So now we have a one more function called stuff. So what is the use of a stuff function? First we will see the syntax. Okay, stuff function. Stuff, select stuff. Okay, and I'm giving same Shivanarayana at the rate gmail.com. Okay, Shivanarayana at the rate gmail.com. I'm giving my expression. Now I want to replace Shiva. I want to replace Shiva with some other word. I want to replace okay. So from starting position I want a starting position 1. I'm giving starting position 1 and I want to replace 4 characters, and I'm giving length as a 4 and I want to replace okay, I want to replace some dollar symbol. Okay, and giving alias name as a stuff. Okay, now execute this function. Now it is replaced from starting. I given an index position 1. Okay, and the length of characters I want to replace 4 characters. Okay, 4 characters with this dollar symbol. Now if observe here output, it is replaced first 4 characters. Now I have a one more scenario. Okay, now what is this? How to replace a string value, okay, from starting position to 4 characters. Okay, 4 characters. Now with the help of this stuff function I can replace some specific position. Now I have a one more requirement. I want to replace starting position fifth, and mean index position is fifth. I want to replace 2 characters only. Okay, now copy this query, and I want starting position from fifth, and I want to replace just 2 characters only. Now I'm giving the length of okay, I'm giving length is a 2. Instead of a dollar I'm using the at the rate symbol. Now if I execute these two functions, okay, now if you observe here, it is replaced from index position of 5, and it is replaced two characters only. After that it is replaced with the at the rate symbol. For example, instead of at the rate, I am using some other symbol. Now I am using this symbol, okay, ampersand symbol. Now execute this function again, so it is replaced with ampersand and the position from fifth, and it is replaced only two characters. Now what is the difference between the replace and the stuff? So both functions are used to replace in a string, given a string, but if you are using the replace, it is a replace the complete, wherever we have a character a complete, it is replaced with the at the rate symbol, and wherever I have a character n in this string, it is replaced with a dollar. But coming to the stuff function, it is replaced with the help of index position and character length. So if you go interview also, they will ask you interview questions on this: what is the difference between a replace and a stuff function? Now it is a clear now. So if you have any doubt, comment on this video, I will explain more on this. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.